In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover unsaved draft emails in Outlook. Losing a draft can be frustrating, especially if you've spent time crafting the perfect message. But don't worry, we'll go step by step. First, open Microsoft Outlook and sign in with your email and password. Once you're on the dashboard, the first place to check is the Drafts folder. Outlook often automatically saves drafts as you type, so your email might still be there. Click on Drafts in the left panel and scroll to see if your draft is present. If you don't find it there, check the Deleted Items folder. Sometimes drafts are accidentally deleted and Outlook temporarily stores them in this folder. Click on Deleted Items and carefully look through the list. Drafts may not always appear at the top. Once you find your missing draft, you can recover it by clicking the Recover button on the top ribbon. Follow the prompts to restore the draft back to its proper location. And that's it. By checking the Drafts and Deleted Items folders, you can quickly recover lost emails and save yourself time and frustration. Remember, Outlook has built-in safety nets to help protect your work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful Outlook tutorials.